Praise God, my name is Olga. I'm from Zeal of the Gospel Church. We're very happy to host our Reverend here in this conference, Glory to Glory. Like we had so many things that we've learned through this conference. And particularly one thing that was that touched my heart is to understand more about the grace of God. Sometimes we think we are here to work for God. We are here to work for Jesus and to work for the good news, but it's not really true. We have to love ourselves first so that we can give an impact to the society and to the people that we are living together in the community. Basically, the grace that we have received is to us. It's given to us to give a better transformation first to ourselves, and then through that salvation that we have received, we can share it to the community that we live in. Beside that, I've also learned that I'm not a human being. I've become God. If I'm a child of God, then I'm God. And I have to perform, I have to work, and I have to think the same way that God thinks. So this is the simple message that I can share with you. Hope you will again go through different sessions that we have on YouTube, and we'll be happy to.
My name is Solomon. First of all, I'm so happy that it's been a blessing to have to listen to Pastor where our pastor was born spiritually. It was a blessing for me, even for the whole church, to listen to the spiritual father of our pastor. So something that touched me through this conference, Pastor taught us that we are the son of God. So we have to live not for God, but to live as God lives. So that is something that edified me. I can live in a way God that can live. That is so encouraging. Gives me the mind to think like God, to think that I'm able to do everything that God can do. So this seminar has been so helpful to me. I have learned about so many things, but I can't finish all them right now in a few minutes that I'm given. But really knowing that I'm God, I'm able as God is able, that's so really edifying. Thank you very much.
존귀와 영광으로